This is my friend Red. I needed a quick cash, so I reached out to her.
Hey, I just need to make a few dollars. Can I edit a few photos for you?
Oh my god! Girl, I was just looking for someone to edit my photos.
Great, I'll do it.
I uploaded it on the Drive folder with the instructions.
All right, let's open the folder and read the tasks.
Task 1. Remove the background on this image. Task 2. I love this pic that paparazzis took, but there's an annoying watermark. Remove that. Task 3. A fan sold me her drawing, but I want to remove the signatures. Task 4. I'm a huge Nikki fan. Can you swap my face with her photo? Task 5. Make sure to upscale those images before you send them back.
All right, I can do this, but the thing is, I don't know how to use Photoshop. It's too complicated. Canva Pro has the tools I need to make these edits, but I'm too broke to get a subscription. So I'll just find an alternative photo editor that's free to use. I'll go to findmethatai.com and search for AI Photo Editor. Then let's select the free option in the pricing. I found one. Now let's read the tool description. Free alternative to Canva and Photoshop. Key features: AI Object Remover, AI Image Watermark Remover, Background Remover, Photo Enhancer, and many more. Great! It has all I need to make the edits. So now, let's try this tool. Alright, let's do task 1. For this, we need a background remover. So let's find it here. Let's upload the photo. Now it's removing the background. Here's the result. Let's download it and move to task 2. For this, we will be using the Watermark Remover. Upload the image, then click Auto Remove. There are still patches left, so let's manually remove it. Here's the before and after. Now let's move to task 3. We will be using the signature remover for this, so let's find it here. Let's upload the photo, then click Auto Remove. There are still markings left, so let's use a brush to manually remove it. Here's the before and after. All right, for task 4, we will be using the AI Face Swap tool. Upload the face you want to use, then the image you want to swap face into. Here's the result. It's good. I think it looks realistic. Now for the last task, we will use the Photo Enhancer. Upload the photos and upscale it. Here are the before and after. This website also offers few more features, like the Passport Photomaker. No need to go to the studio, just upload your photo and you'll have ready-to-print passport-sized photos. Or make professional headshots for your LinkedIn profile in seconds. It's way faster than paid AI tools. They also have AI filters. You can use it to instantly convert your images into cartoon, anime, pixel art, and many more. This tool is 100% free, and you have unlimited access to use it for personal, social media, and business purposes. So go check out this tool. You can use the link on the description. Don't forget to leave a like if you find this video helpful, and comment down what you want to see next. Or you might want to watch this next video. So go click it.